This is Oklahoma's own News 9.
And joining us again this morning, this time virtually, is David Brooks with the Made in Oklahoma Coalition. And this morning, we're making a fun recipe, frittata muffins, and they're good for on the go.
Yeah. This is what they look like, and you guys are going to wish I was there this morning and not at home because these just came out of the oven. Oh. This is an egg dish, and we've got a company called Hanson's Eggs that are out of Hitchcock, Oklahoma, and they make some spectacular eggs. Now, this is 10 of them. I've already got them kind of whipped up and got them started, and to that, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of good old head country seasoning. That's going to be mixed up, and then some Highland whipping cream. We're going to use 1/4 cup. That goes in, and then this is all whisked together till it just blends beautifully. Now, here's where you have to be a bit artistic, because you got to hit 12 of these little holes with this egg batter. Fill it exactly half full, because if not, these puff like a souffle. And that's what's cool about it. These have already started to deflate, but when they first come out, they are puffed beautifully, but they're good. Heck, they're good for a couple of hours. Anyway, I'm not going to fill all of these. You can use just a greased pan. You can use the little cupcake, or you can use these fancy things. Isn't that fancy? Now, here's what we got to do with this. We are going to put whatever you like. I've got a little spinach from Scissortail Farms. We're going to put that across it. And then we're going to put J&M mushrooms. And look how white and gorgeous these things are. They're made in Miami, Oklahoma. We're going to put some mushrooms on all of these. And just as much as you want, because this is kind of your treat, and everybody can make their own. Now, bar-ass bacon. Everything must have bacon. Here we go. Here we go. Now, once you get to there, these are some roasted red peppers in a jar, not made in Oklahoma. They're actually made in, I think, Pittsburgh, but Pittsburgh's okay. Now, here's what we're going to do. We're going to do that. On top of all of these, we're going to put cheese.
I have cheese.
Not like a pizza. Don't really cover it. This is just kind of a flavor. When you get to that point, you have to have your oven at 350 degrees, already preheated, and then put them in. When you get through, this is what you're going to have. This is an egg frittata. And look at that. I'm just going to take a bite. Put a little salt and pepper on it. Put a little seasoning on it. Put a little salsa on it. But this is great.
We are missing you, David. I didn't get to eat breakfast yet, so I wish that I could have this recipe. And also great for kids to just kind of make their own, sprinkle in there what they want. So thank you so much for joining us virtually. Hopefully you'll be back in studio soon.
Oh, I hope so. Good to see everybody.